Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder feedback. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder feedback, you should just go settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about the application of Tinder. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can click again here to airplane mode to turn on, and you can turn off your airplane to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.